Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I am going to teach you Subject English Class 12 Flamingo Textbook Chapter number 3 Deep Water. So today I am going to give you summary of deep water. So let's get started. Deep water summary will assist you in understanding the meaning of this chapter. It is an extract from the book Man of Mountains. So this chapter is taken, means the story of this chapter is taken from a book named Man of Mountains by William Douglas. Over here, the author tells us about how he overcomes the deep-rooted fear of water. We learn that the author develops fear of water following two very dreadful incidents. In this first one, he is 4 years old when a wave knocks him down. Similarly, in the second one, he is 11 years of age. A bully throws him in the deep end of the pool and almost drowns. Thus, having gone through such scary experience, he fears water deeply. However, he does work really hard to overcome it. Finally, we learn about the measures he takes to overcome this fear. Moreover, he accomplish in overcoming the fear and gives us all a great lesson of determination and willpower. So moving on, I will give you this chapter brief details. Deep Water is about the writer's journey of overcoming the fear of water, which is deeply rooted in him since childhood. The author started fearing water since the age of 4. It starts when he was visiting California with his father. He visits a beach where a wave knocks him down and sweeps over him. This terrifies the author. Although the father laughs at this, knowing it was no danger. However, this experience terrifies him and develops a fear of water. After that, when the author is 11 years old, he experiences another incident which escalates his fear. He is at swimming pool in Yakima. Yakima, it's a place. He is in the swimming pool in Yakima trying to learn swimming. One fine day, a bully decides to pull a dangerous prank. He pushes him in the deep end of the pool, which frightens the author. He reaches 9 feet into the water and starts struggling desperately to hold on to something. Moreover, he yells for help, but he starts feeling paralyzed and only his heart was moving now. Thus he gave up and readies himself to die but wake up at the side of the pool. However, the terror he experienced while drowning never goes away. He continued to hunt him for many years and even spoiled his future expedition concerning canoeing, swimming, fishing, and more. He even visits Marine Lake, Columbia, New Hampshire, and more about is not able to enjoy it. Thus he decides to overcome this fear by hook or by crook. He enrolls himself in a swimming class and tries to learn from the instructor. The instructor teaches him many tips and tricks for swimming. He begins with the inhaling and exhaling part, then he practices it for many weeks. Further, he moves on the kicking the legs and the side of the pool. Finally, he combines all this with the final moves of swimming. Although the author knows how to swim, he is still terrified of water. Thus, in order to get rid of the fear, he decides to confront it. He mocks it by thinking, what can it really do? Consequently, he plunges into the water, and to his surprise, his fear goes away. He faced it in many places and at last manages to conquer it. So, conclusion of deep water means what? To sum up deep water summary, we learn that if we are determined enough to have the courage, we can overcome any fear that comes our way without letting the fear overpower us. मीन्स इन हिंदी फाइल टेल के अगर आप एक ही काम को डिटर्मिनेशन यानी कि धैर्यता से करो, हिम्मत से करो, भले वो चीज़ तुमको कितनी भी तकलीफ़ क्यों ना दे रही हो, तो वो तुम पे कभी हावी नहीं होगी. सो दिस वाज द मेन चैप्टर. थैंक यू सो मच.